Hey, hi, good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel, Anand and Abhishek, Twin Brothers. And request you to please subscribe my channel and hit like. Please leave the comment if you like or dislike so that I can improve the video further. For today's topic, I'm going to talk about the English communications. Now, the moment it is English communication, what comes to the mind, a kind of fear that comes. The one who was not pro in the English. Now, the question is, now the people who does not speak very often, are the people who are just beginner in the English, how they can start communicating how they can start communication? The answer is pretty simple. Just start talking. In order to start talking, it does not really need to have a lot of word and vocab balance. If you know 10 words, 10 English word, start with that. And then keep increasing your vocabulary. And the people who understand English, and majority of the people doesn't understand English. The only problem is that they do not speak. Now for those people, please just start. Now you will ask that from where should I start? Should I go to an institute? Should I talk to the people? Should I talk to foreigner people? Should I talk to the people who are only communicate in English? All of the answer is no. Because in order to start talking in English, you need to start it from anywhere, wherever you are, from whomsoever you are meeting. What do I mean to say? That start talking in English sitting at home. Talk to your parents, say to them something, talk to your brothers and sisters. If they know English, if they can understand it, that's pretty great. But if they do not understand, make them understand. You know what happens sometimes? Suppose that I am going to talk to a person who does not know English at all, and I have to ask for the food. Or suppose that I have to ask for the coffee. I can simply say that, hey, well, can I have a cup of coffee? And then if you feel that person has not understood you, what you can do, that well, I did mean that क्या आप मुझे एक कप कॉफ़ी दे सकते हैं? And likewise. So what does that mean? The moment you will start talking without caring that whether the person is going to respond in the same fashion or not, whether the person is understanding English or not, what will happen? That will start increasing your own confidence, your own word power, your own grammar, and slowly and gradually your percentage of communication will increase. And that's the thumb rule of English communication. At the same time, keep seeking the feedback from the people whom you understand, that they are well with the grammar, they are well with the accent. So all those people, when you will seek the feedback, whatever that they tell you, work on them slowly and gradually. It is not that you really need a couple of weeks to work on your feedbacks. No, that's again a continuous process. So I hope that I'm making sense, guys, and that's how I have learned it. I have studied, I completed my education starting from elementary till graduation from Hindi medium. But following these rules that I'm talking about today, I'm able to speak well. I'm able to talk to you in English. So request all of you that please start talking, there's no other day to start. Many of us keep thinking that okay, I will speak one day. Let me find out a companion who can speak. Let me find out a group of people who can talk in English. Let me find out an opportunity where I can speak. No, none of them are going to happen, because nobody is waiting of you. Only you should be waiting of yourself as when to start. And as it is says that tomorrow never comes, guys. Therefore, do not wait for tomorrow. Continue working, keep it consistent, and the much you can the much you can speak, the much you can talk in English, talk to, because that is going to help you in bringing success on your way. That is something which will help you to establish the good communication with your brothers, sisters, parents, at workplace, in your office, wherever you go. And communication is the first thing to make an impression upon the people. Communication help you to grow in the career. And I have seen it, that's my personal experience. I tell you, the people who have good communication skills, they grow a lot in their career. And therefore, I'm telling it to you that work on it. And also you can do one thing, and that's the same thing I have shared in my previous video as well. One of the key element that start reading the much you can. It doesn't need to be a literature actually of the usage of the PG books. Your study material in terms of starting your communication, it should be very elementary books. The books from 4th standard, the books from 7th standard, the books of maximum 8th standard. Because those stories, those words are pretty simple and pretty known to you. And once you will start reading those stories, what will happen, that you will understand them, and you will be able to bring those words, you will be able to bring those sentences into your communication. And combination of all these efforts, combination of all these words that you are learning will actually help you out to become a good speaker, to become an efficient and an effective communicator. So that is all, guys, that I do have for today. Thank you so much. Again, I request you to please, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and leave a comment before you log off from this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice time ahead.